Okay guys, finally got my GoPro. I'm so excited. I got a brand new GoPro, guys. Came with an SD card. This is so cool. No more shaking video. What the heck is that? It's up there. We'll never see it with this camera, but finally got it, guys. Sorry for the interruption. But with this camera, guys, there's no shaking. It's like hyper smooth 2.0, and it's got touch screen and everything. This is awesome, guys. This is so cool. Birds are even quacking around. But you know, we're a GoPro action right now. GoPro 8 black. And yeah, this is so cool, guys, because there's no shaking. I could jump around here. I'm gonna jump right now. It should be quite smooth, so we don't have to worry about that no more. I gotta figure out how to use the thing. You can see everything bending up because, and then I'll bend down like that. Now it's gonna bend up, especially the left and right sides will bend up and down. You know, freaking bird, shut up there. And anyway, guys, I want to make this quick video, just say what's up. I'm happy to finally get the GoPro 8. I was gonna buy the GoPro 7. That was my goal to get. Oh, it's freaking cold out here, guys. To get the GoPro 7, and it came out with the 8. I really wanted the 7, so let's get the 8. It's got hyper smooth too, and I want to bring you the best quality possible, you know what I mean? So that's why I bought this. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video.